Hello student, the last class I discussed the different types of electronic effects, and now if you look at next I am focusing to discuss the acidic strength and the basic strength. This is a very important part of the organic chemistry. From there definitely they used to ask the questions, and these things I will not explain when I will going to explain the amines as well as carboxylic acid, because here itself I am clarifying these things, how you will go through the acidic strength and basic strength of the different types of organic molecules. Let us focus for that one. Acidic strength first, and then we will go for the basic strength. They will ask the questions, what will be the acidic order? K order. K order. K order means acidity order, because in the equilibrium chapter already we know if there is acid, HA is there. When it will be ionized, it will be ionized like H plus and A minus. If the H plus concentrations will be more, then K will be more. Why? Because equilibrium constant K will be equals to active mass or molar concentrations of the product raised to the power of the stoichiometric coefficient by active mass or molar concentrations of the reactant. So that means H plus concentration more means K will be more. The equilibrium constant for the dissociation of the acid in ionic equilibrium, already we explained these things. And now if you look at the H plus more means K will be more, and you know pK will be equals to minus of log K. pK will be equals to minus of log K, or we can write down pK will be equals to log of 1 by K. So then when the K will be more, pK will be less. That means if the acidity, if it is high, that means H plus will be more. H plus will be more. Already we know with the relation pH will be equals to minus log of base H plus concentration. This is nothing but a pH, as well as that Kb is nothing but a basicity. Kb more means basicity will be more. Basicity will be more, and then Kb more means what? Pkb will be less, because Kb is nothing, Pkb is nothing but a minus log Kb, the same way like a pK. So then acidity more means H plus more. H plus more means what? pH will be less, because pH is nothing but a minus log of H plus concentration, is nothing but you can, for your more clarity you can write down log of 1 by H plus. So that means H plus and pH is inversely proportional. So that is why acidity more means H plus will be more. H plus more means pH will be less. Again H plus more means what, my dear? K will be more. K will be more means what? pK will be less. And when acidity will be more, the base will be less. So that is why OH will be what? Concentrations will be less. OH less means what, my dear? POH will be more. Clear? POH will be more. As well as whenever the base is less, the Kb will be less. Basicity will be less means what? Kb will be less. Kb less means what? Pkb will be more. Pkb will be more. You have to understand, because basicity, acidity more means H plus more. Basicity more means what? OH minus concentrations will be more. So that is what you have to understand over here. The basicity OH less means what? The Kb will be less. Kb less means Pkb will be less. So that is what, if you look at, whenever they are asking the pK order, which will be reverse of a acidity order, whenever they are asking the pKb order is nothing but what? Acidity order. You look at pKb order means same order is acidity order. That is what I give you the entire clarity about the things, because whenever they will put a questions, you have to understand, they will give you a particular organic acid, they will write down the pKb order of the following acid. That means pKb order means what, my dear? The acidity order. So that means from which has a highest to lowest, depending on that the question they will tell you. pKb order means acidity order. pK order means what? If you look at pK order means basicity order or Kb order. And then the acidity here is there, if you look at this pH order. pH order means the pK order. because pH is pKa same. You look at pH also decreasing, pK also decreasing, as well as if you look at pOH order and the pOH order and the pKb order is same. So that means pOH order is nothing but a pKb order, acidity order is nothing but a pKb order. So these are the concept you have to understand. Already we know from these things, from the equilibrium chapter, we know these things. You have to understand these things from over there itself. First of all, during the acidic strength and the basic strength, I give you this example or this clarity. So that means if they ask you pK order, first you write down the acidity order, make it reverse, you will get the pK order. That way we will find out the acidity order, nothing but a Ka order, and the reverse will be nothing but a pK order. That means pK value more means acidity will be less, pK value less means acidity will be more. So these are the idea you have to understand very clearly first. So once you understand this idea, then we are going to explain the acidic strength. Generally you have to remember the acidity, the organic acid always has a stronger acidity compared to aliphatic acid. Exception, there is a formic acid. Formic acid will be a stronger acid compared to benzoic acid, and the benzoic acid is a stronger acid compared to acetic acid. This exception always organic is a form of a exception, you have to remember. Then you look at, here I am writing, suppose they will give the questions like this. They will give you like this, phenol and then structure 1, and then they will give phenol. In the para positions there is a you have a methyl group. This is actually called as a cresol, and then in structure 3 I am giving nitro. And now you look at structure 1, structure 2, structure 3. What will be the pK order? pK order they asked in a question. What will be the pK order? That means reverse of a acidity order or reverse of a Ka order is nothing but a pK order. First we will find out the acidity order, then we will make it a reverse, that is nothing but a pK order. So now whenever this type of questions they will give, first you write down the nothing but the conjugate base. I told you in the equilibrium chapter, the conjugate base is a very important concept to explain the acidity of a organic acid. Now you look at, whenever it will lose the H plus, the substance which can give very faster way H plus, the acidity will be stronger. Now after giving the H plus, it will be nothing but the conjugate base will be nothing but a way O minus. This is nothing but a conjugate base of structure 1, and this is nothing but a conjugate base of structure 2 will be like this, my dear. Conjugate base of a structure 2 will be nothing but this, my dear. This is the conjugate base of structure 2, and this is nothing but the conjugate base of structure 3 after losing the proton. All cases there will be loss of proton will be there. That proton I am writing over here like this. This is with proton. This is a conjugate base 3. Cb means conjugate base 3, and here nitro group will be like this. And now here also this proton will be there. That means stability of the conjugate base is more, stronger will be corresponding acid. Already I explained. Now you look at, whenever this phenoxide ion will be there as a conjugate base, here it can undergo resonance through the benzene ring. But here what will happen? Already negative charge is there. This is a conjugate base, but para position there is a methyl group is there. This has a what? Baker-Nathan effect or the hyperconjugation. This will give the electron towards the O minus. Already electron is there. Still it is supplying the electron towards the O minus via hyperconjugation as well as plus I and hyperconjugation. Hc means hyperconjugation. So that is why the stability of the conjugate base will decrease. Already electron is there, still methyl group is supplied towards the O minus more electron via plus I and hyperconjugation. So that is why this conjugate base will be highly unstable. But now in this conjugate base what will happen, my dear? Whenever this negative charge is there, it will undergo delocalization, and what will happen? This will undergo extended resonance. This negative charge will be dispersed through the benzene ring to the NO2, because the NO2 has a minus I as well as minus R, both minus I and minus R effect. Through that, it will withdraw the electron from the O minus towards itself. Because of this phenomena, this phenoxide ion, that means para-nitrophenoxide ion, will be highly stable, and the stability of the conjugate base is more, stronger will be corresponding acid. As the stability of the conjugate base is more, it can easily lose the H plus, it can easily fire the H plus. So that is why the substance which can easily fire the H plus, the acidity will be more. So that is why the acidity order, K order or acidity order, K or acidity order will be what, my dear? Acidity order will be 3 will be the strongest acid, then will be 1, and then will be 2. What is the acidity order? Reverse will be pK order. The questions they ask the pK order, you make it reverse. 3 is this. So that means 2 is greater than 1, 1 is greater than 3. Then the pK order is this, acidity order or K order is this. And the explanation is coming from different types of electronic effect which will explain this phenomena. I hope very clear to everybody. And then once you understand these things, now I will explain, you can practice n number of things, but now I will explain another very important thing, the ortho effect of the acid. I will give that example, and then only I will proceed towards the basic strength. Again, they can give you comparison in case of a aliphatic acid. Suppose they are giving you like this, acetic acid is there, this is the structure 1. Suppose they are giving chloroacetic acid is there, and then this is the structure 2, and then they are giving fluoroacetic acid, and this is the structure 3. Now they are telling what will be the acidity order. What will be the acidity order? Reverse will be the pK order, already I explained. Then you write down the conjugate base after losing the proton. Here, after losing the proton, conjugate base will be there this. All the conjugate base, there will be equivalent resonating structure will be formed. Now, here also, after losing, this will be nothing but a CH2Cl, and this will be like this scenario will come, and here also the equivalent resonating structure will be formed. Now, in case of structure 3 also, my dear, here also this will be formed like this way. The equivalent resonating structure will be formed after losing the or after firing the H plus. But the question is, here this negative charge, this CH3 group will give what effect? Plus I effect. Alkyl group used to give the plus I effect. More number of alkyl group, if you look at isopropyl, ethyl, if the branching of the alkyl group is more, plus I effect will be more. So now, if you look at chlorine and fluorine, in every book there is a sequence is there, you can go through. The what will be the minus I effect order? Nitro is greater than Cn, Cn is greater than COOH, COOH is greater than OH. Like the alkyl group, also the isopropyl is greater than ethyl, ethyl is greater than methyl, isopropyl is greater than ethyl, ethyl is greater than methyl. The branching will increase, the more plus I effect. So that is why, so these will produce the plus I effect. That means already negative charge is there. Towards that negative charge, the CH3 is giving the electron. And whereas the chloro has a minus I, through this minus I effect, it will withdraw the negative charge towards itself. Compared to chlorine, the fluorine has a more electronegativity. So that is why fluorine will take the negative charge towards itself more. As it will take the negative charge more, stability of conjugate base will be more. As the stability of conjugate base is more, stronger will be corresponding acid. So that is why acidity order will be what, my dear? 3 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1. So that means acidity order will be 3 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1. But if they ask the pK order, make it reverse. That means 1 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 3. What will be the acidity order? If you make it a reverse, then you will get is nothing but the pK order. Clear, my dear student? Now I am going to give one very important example of ortho effect which will determine the acidic strength. Focus on ortho effect. If you look at what is ortho effect, ortho effect only will operate in a aromatic system when there is a COOH will be there. That means in a benzoic acid system, the ortho effect will be operate. So now, if you look at the ortho effect in a benzoic acid system, this ortho effect will be operate. Suppose I am writing this is a benzoic acid. Everybody knows this is called as a benzoic acid. Benzoic acid pKa value will be around 4.2, acetic acid pKa value will be 4.7, formic acid pKa value will be 3.4. So that is what this is the idea. Now you look at this is a benzoic acid. Now whenever the in a benzoic acid is there, another one is there, benzoic acid and nitro. Maybe you will think whenever there is a conjugate base will be there, so then these things will be there. That means this immediately the negative charge will be stabilized. That way you will think. So that is a wrong perceptions. So that means if I write down structure 1 and structure 2. So that means in general I am telling you whenever there is a benzoic acid will be there, this structure I am writing like this. Because in a acid what will happen, my dear, this lone pair will undergo resonance like this way. Because of this carbon oxygen bond length, there is a difference will be there rather than keto compound. So that is why this carbonyl carbon little difference is there with the aldehyde and ketone. And then immediately we will get this type of things. What we will get, my dear? We will get like this. No book will give you the explanation. You can write, you can search n number of books in the internet. You can search, no book will give the explanation of this ortho effect. So then if you look, they only simply say because of ortho effect. But if you don't know the ortho effect, in the depth of the concept, any question come, you cannot answer. So now if you look at, so these things, here when this resonance is happening, then what will happen? Immediately you will get this structure, my dear. Here the negative charge and here the positive charge will be there like this. That means positive charge on the oxygen atom, it is highly electronegative element. On that electronegative element, positive charge is a highly unstable conditions. Then what will happen? Immediately the oxygen try to remove this positive charge. There are one possibility is there by firing H plus. This is the, by firing H plus, it will remove the H plus and bonded electron will be taking towards itself. This is possibility 1. Another possibility is there, this benzene ring can back supply this oxygen atom. Benzene ring can back supply this oxygen atom, back supply. So that means there are two possibilities there to get the neutrality of the oxygen atom. One is a firing of H plus, another one is get the back supply of electron from the benzene ring. This is the two possibilities there. But whenever there is any ortho substituent is there in a benzene ring, so then what will happen in a benzoic acid ring? So in a benzoic acid, ortho substituent will be there. It may be nitro or it may be methyl. That means it may be EWG, it may be electron withdrawing group, or it may be ERG, whatever it is. It may be electron withdrawing group or it may be electron releasing group. Whatever group is there, ortho to COOH group in a benzene ring. Then what will happen, my dear? You look at, then what will happen, my dear? Because of the steric hindrance, these things, this resonance will be taking place. But here this group G is there. I am putting a group G. This is a G group, and this G is nothing but it can be EWG or it may be ERG, whatever it is. This group is there in this position. Because of this steric hindrance will be there, this and this group, this benzene ring will be out of the plane. So that is what you look at. I am represented, this bond is not, this bond is nothing but a solid line. This total benzene ring will be out of plane. Out of plane will be there. Because of this steric hindrance steric hindrance will be there. And whenever these things will be there, steric hindrance will be there because of the group which is there ortho to COOH, then you look at, my dear, then immediately you will get this structure will be come over here. After this resonance will be taking place, we will get a structure over here like this, and this bond will be like a solid bond which will be, benzene ring will be out of the plane, and then this will be minus and this oxygen will be plus, and this will be G will be there over here. You look at, now the question is, there are only one possibility is there to get the neutrality of the oxygen by only firing the H plus. But here this back supply of electron is not possible, because to occur the resonance, the structure and the other things, the pi electron, whole the structure will be in a same plane. But here this structure and these things is not in a same plane. That is why back supply of electron will not be possible from the benzene ring. There is only option is there to get the neutrality of oxygen by firing of H plus. So that is why when there is a ortho substituent will be there, that will be more acidic compared to any substituent is not there. So that is why always this ortho substitute benzoic acid will be the stronger acid compared to simple benzoic acid. Why? Because of the ortho effect. And what is ortho effect? I explain in front of your eyes what is the ortho effect. Because whenever any group will be there ortho to the COOH, because of the steric hindrance, the benzene ring will be out of the plane. When the benzene ring will be out of the plane, the back supply of electron is not possible. Then only option is there to get the neutrality of oxygen by firing of H plus. So it will, when it will fire the H plus, so then the acidity will be more. The substance which can give the H plus more faster way, that will be acidity will be more. That is why whenever there is a ortho substituent will be there in a benzoic acid, then the ortho substituted benzoic acid will be the stronger acid compared to benzoic acid because of ortho effect. What is ortho effect? I explain very simple manner. I hope it is clear to everyone, my dear student, and the next class I am going to discuss is nothing but the basic strength of a organic molecule. I hope you understand. Thank you, my dear student. Thank you all.